Let us start exercise 5.1 second problem. So the given question is write first four terms of the AP when the first term is A and the common difference D are given as. So they gave in all these problems A and D, you should calculate, you should find out what are the first four terms. So let us start doing. So the second problem, they gave the first problem as A equals to 10 and D equals to 10. We know that the general term of an AP will be, you will be getting in the form of A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D, so on. Here we want only four terms, so we took like this A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. And we substituted the value and then we simplified. That is A value is 10. So 10 plus 10, it is 20. Again A plus 2D, that is A 10 plus 2 times of 10. 2 times of 10 is 20. 20 plus 10 is 30. So in a similar way that the fourth term also we got. Or otherwise, so if we know A and D, what we can do is first term is 10. So we will write like that only. The second term difference they gave us 10. So we should add difference to the previous digit. That is 10 plus 10, it is 20. Again we should add, in order to get the third term, I should add the difference to the second term. That is 20 plus 10, it is 30. Again to get the fourth term, what I should do? I should add difference to the third term. That is 30 plus 10, it is 40. In whichever way you feel comfortable, you can do it. See here, they gave A equals to minus 2 and D equals to 0, means difference is 0 throughout. So the first four terms can be written as minus 2. I should add 0 to this, means a difference to this to get the next term. If I add anything to 0, I am going to get the same number. So along with the sign, so minus 2, if I add for this, whatever I got for the second term, if I add the difference, I am going to get the third term. Again, for the third term, if I add the difference, I am going to get the fourth term. So I got all the four terms as minus 2, minus 2, minus 2 and minus 2 because the difference is 0. Now coming to the third one, what they gave, A is 4 and difference is 3. So A is 4. The first term is 4. What will be the next term? I should add for the first term the difference. So 4 plus of minus 3. How much I will be getting? 4 plus into minus is minus. 4 minus 3. 1 I got. So the first term is 4. The next term is 1. If I want the next term, what I should do? For the second term, I should add this difference. That is 1 plus of minus 3. So it will become 1 minus 3, that is minus 2. Again to get the fourth term, I should add this difference to the third term, that is minus 2 plus of minus 3. Minus 2 plus into minus is minus 3. So minus 2 minus 3, it will become minus 5. So these are the first four terms. Now coming to the next problem, what they gave, A is minus 1, difference is 1 by 2. So the first term is minus 1 as it is. The second term will be, you will be getting by adding difference to the first term. So how much? Minus 1 plus 1 by 2. So if I remove, or otherwise if I remove from half minus 1, I am going to get minus half. So I got first term as minus 1, second term as minus 1 by 2. Now to get the third term, what I should do? I should, whatever I got here for the second term, from that I should subtract, I should add this difference. That is minus 1 by 2 I got for the second term. I should add the difference. So minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, it will be 0. Now I got the third term as 0. In order to get the fourth term, what we should do? I should add a difference to this third term, that is 0 plus 1 by 2. If I add anything to 0 or subtract, I am going to get the same number along with the sign. So these are the four terms. Now coming to this, so what they gave, A is minus 1 by 1.25. So minus 1.25 I got. In order to get the second term, what I should do? I should add. Add means whatever sign they gave, we have to see, and then according to that we have to do the calculation. So in order to get the second term, what I should do? I should add the difference to it. So adding here in the sense minus 1.25 plus into minus is minus 0.25. So that is both are of same signs. When they are of same signs, you should add. So how much you will be getting here? It is around 5, 5, 10, 2, 2, 4, 4, 5. So 1 point minus 1.5 minus 1.5 you got. So the first term is 1.25, second term is minus 1.5. So for this again I should add 0.25. Because they are of same signs, we can add both of them. So you will be getting around minus 1.75. Again, in order to get the fourth term, what I should do? I should add the difference to the third term. So if I add that, because they are of same signs, I can add them. If they are of different signs, I should subtract and keep the sign of the larger number. So what is this? In order to get the fourth term, minus 1.75 plus minus 0.25. So how much if I add them? Minus 10. So how much? 7, 3, again 10. So this will be minus 2. Minus 2.00 you got. So it will be of minus 2. This is how we should find out the 4 terms or 5 terms, whatever they had given, based on the based on the first term and the common difference. Either you can make use of the formula, or otherwise directly keep on adding the difference to the previous term to get the next term. So we will be getting like this. Now coming to the third problem, third main. So what is the third main? They have asked, for the following APs, write the first term and the common difference. Sorry, I wrote here fourth main. Afterwards we will so third main. So third main is what? For the following APs, write the first term and the common difference. So first term means obviously whatever the first number is there or the first entity is there, that is the first term. So let us see this third main. First one, what they give? 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3. You should write down A as well as the common difference. See here, we should write here A. So A is how much? The first term, whatever it is there, the first term. And difference is, always you should take, if they are in AP or you are going to show that it is an AP, differences should be always calculated second term minus first term. Which two terms you are considering, in that the second term minus first term will gives you the difference. That is 1 minus 3. So 1 minus 3 is minus 2. So here I no need to check whether the difference is same or not, because they gave that it is in AP. So no need to find that the difference is same or difference will be same, then only it is in AP. So here A is 3, the first number is A, and difference will be second term minus first term. Now coming to the second one. So the second one, what they gave? Minus 5, minus 1, 3, 7 they gave. So how to calculate? A is how much? Minus 5. So difference is how much? Minus 1 means second term minus first term. It is minus 5. So how much it will be? Minus 1. Minus into minus, it is plus 5. Minus 1 plus 5 is 4. So you got A as minus 5, difference as 4. Now coming to the third one. So what is the third problem they gave? 1 by 3, 5 by 3, 9 by 3 and 13 by 3. So they gave the sequence like this. A will be the first term, that is 1 by 3, and difference will be the second term minus first term. So that is LCM is 3, 5 minus 1 it is 4, 4 by 3. See here, 9 by 3 minus 5 by 3. As LCM is 3 only, 9 minus 5 is 4, 4 by 3. So we no need to again calculate the difference for each and every consecutive terms. Now coming to the fourth one. So what is the fourth they gave? 0.6, 1.7, 2.8, 3.9. So that is A is the first term, that is 0.6. Difference is how much? 1.7 minus 0.6. So second term minus first term. 7 minus 6 is 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. So 1.1 is the difference. So this is regarding second and third questions.